Okay, so really quickly, I've been importing the BB-8 dome parts into Fusion360, and there was a question of, oh, they seem to be loading in at the wrong size, but mine, I don't know, they seem to be loading in okay. I did a quick measurement of the PSI across, and it seems to match what I have actually printed. So I don't know. Let's just really quickly go over how I did it. So new design. You come down to this gear on the bottom right hand corner and do not capture design history. This will allow you to bring in meshes. Pick continue. Go to insert mesh. Grab the, I don't know, we'll grab maybe dome panel 1. Okay. I'm looking at the top, so I'm going to just flip it so that it's facing the right direction for me. I'll say OK. And here it is loaded in as a mesh. I'll call it dome panel 1. And I mean, I'd have to go measure, but if I measure this spot to this spot, you can see it's 75.6 millimeters. Not crazy. I think it's about the right size. And that's it. And that's how I've done this entire thing, is essentially saying, insert mesh and then position it so it's in the spot. The point would be is that I can now turn off my dome parts, and get an idea of my available space. So yeah, any other questions, let me know. I'll hook you up.